Jasmy coin worth assumption 2022 Jasmy worth expected to truly show up at INR 22 to INR 25 by end of 2022. Jasmy coins cost, all things considered, had a prominent gathering back in 2021 as it overwhelmed extremely past INR 200, not in every practical sense, long after its starting point, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, in the range of a month, the expense fell earnestly under INR 5 in an especially huge manner. Further, the asset truly went above INR 20, and quickly it truly fell into a significant, quite regrettable example, which fundamentally was finished until the press time by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Likewise, the costs, which explicitly are correct now underneath INR 1, explicitly should join for a surprisingly long time and return quickly, fairly ahead, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Jasmy coin really has flipped from the sort of yearly lows around INR 067 and finding in every practical sense difficult to help above INR 1 in an unpretentious manner after a sort of short cementing the expenses in every practical sense, should really flip a little to sort of reach May highs at INR 15 from the start and later at April highs at INR 2 in a significant manner to end with the 2022 trade. The asset could in the center between INR 2 to INR 25 in an extensive bullish case. The expenses may moreover for the most part make it above INR 3.2 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin worth assumption 2023 Jasmy worth expected to basically show up at INR 28 to INR 36 by end of 2023. Considering a bullish basically close above INR 22, the start of 2023 could connect with INR 25 to INR 28. Incredibly, the levels around INR 3 to INR 333 are fundamental to sort of clear concerning the most part. Bears certainly appear to truly have amazed these levels, and subsequently the assets will frequently get excused each time. Hence, in case the expense upholds at these levels, it could head towards the accompanying resistance. The Jasmy coin cost could test and sort of get INR 35 levels in Q1, truly liberated from 2023. And head towards INR 4 in a genuinely significant manner. Anyway, the expense could in like manner sort of come to INR 4 levels, slicing through the INR 36 and INR 38 levels, or so they thought. However, at last, it could truly face sort of excusal during mid Q4 and hence could remain joined around INR 33 to INR 336 until the end of 2023. Amazingly, Jasmy coin worth figure 2024 Jasmy worth expected to basically show up at INR 35 to INR 43 by end of 2024. The beginning of the 2024 trade could in a real sense be very deferred, as the asset would truly run essentially high, truly comfortable, yet reliably. In this manner, the expenses could sort of get its levels close to INR 4 from the outset. These levels for the most part are one of the critical block levels wherein the asset explicitly has defied sort of a few excusals beforehand, which sort of is very huge. Subsequently, the opportunity of a truly minor drop may not especially be discredited in every practical sense huge way. After a compact association, the Jasmy cost could sort of recover the levels above INR 4 and sort of continue to test the by and large higher hindrance in an exceptionally significant manner. The worth then at that point could especially mean to float above INR 45, yet the certainly bears could for the most part bind the expense under INR 43 to end the 2024 truly yearly trade in a significant manner. Jasmy coin worth assumption 2025 Jasmy worth expected to especially show up at INR 45. The as of late basically shipped off crypto cash development system SIPR, so they explicitly thought here you can really place assets into truly your most for the most part adored crypto in sort of straightforward many weeks segments, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, download the Coinx application on your cell and enter the normal nuances in a kind of huge manner at the point when your profile is affirmed. Store really your wallet and buy Jasmy coin or any of kind of your main assets, which in every practical sense is very critical. If you are looking for the Jasmy coin worth assumption or finding the capacity of Jasmy, this excessively long Jasmy esteem figure can be helpful for you in a truly significant manner. Our Jasmy coin cost figure relies upon a significant kind of specific assessment and kind of past execution of the Jasmy coin, which essentially is very huge here. We will endeavor to look at the capacity of Jasmy coin. Eventually Jasmy coin sort of is to date one of the most notable crypto projects keeping watch, or so they thought, as data gathered from the venture site Jasmy Coin is keeping watch for data democratization and by and large necessities to put data power in the ownership of purchasers. The middle area of Jasmy most certainly is IoT Web of Things blockchain and data. A democratic government, the Jasmy bunch hopes to be an unequivocal player in the fourth, especially present-day distress, in a kind of enormous manner. As a matter of fact, in view of its notoriety, sort of numerous people moreover call Jasmy Bitcoin of Japan. The certifiable use examples of the Jasmy project really make Jasmy Coin a promising undertaking in the really long stretch, which is very critical as one of the creating DeFi projects. Jasmy Coin sort of is managing various drives as opposed to mainstream thinking, as we basically found through CoinMarketCap. By its limited emblematic stock and response from the monetary supporters, Jasmy Coin significant solid areas for in every way that really matters. Looks since its beginning date, Jasmy Coin for the most part has shown expansive improvement in the crypto market, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy Coin generally has given an especially unprecedented reappearance of its fundamental monetary patrons in 2021, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per its confined representative reserve and by and large neighborhood, the destiny of Jasmy Coin truly is unbelievable. Incredibly, the Jasmy Coin costs prepared to a top-notch, genuinely high ATH of 49 in February 2021. Nevertheless, as the crypto market sort of turns down, Jasmy Coin's show moreover gets commonly negative in 2022. As per our assessment, the expenses of Jasmy Coin will sort of continue to fill in the accompanying 10 years, beating the 30 mark before this decade's over in a for the most part large manner, as all cryptos truly are down beginning around 2022. Jasmy Coin's show can fundamentally be furthermore drowsy, which in a real sense is very huge. There truly are genuinely strong possibilities that Jasmy Coin can really get again its circumstance, expecting the market starts to recover in every practical sense significant way. Jasmy Coin worth assumption 2022. As per our Jasmy cost assumption, the most really outrageous trading cost of Jasmy Coin can in a real sense be around 0.065 in 2022, in a very significant manner, if the market goes as indicated by our suppositions. The common expense of Jasmy Coin can be around 0.057 or so, they sort of thought. Regardless, if the market generally turns down, the base worth degree of Jasmy can in a real sense go up to 0.049 in 2022. As per our expense assessment, Jasmy Coin's expense could especially cross 1 once in every practical sense, erring in the unlikely event that the market sees a fair bull, especially run in 2022. In an unpretentious manner, Jasmy worth assumption 2023. Jasmy Coin certainly has staggering sort of potential if you in a real sense have an excessively long vision, which